Do you need to install OneDrive on your Windows? Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reinstalling it, here's a step-by-step guide to downloading the OneDrive app quickly and securely. First of all, start by opening your preferred browser, like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Go to the official Microsoft OneDrive website by typing in this URL. Always download apps directly from the official source for safety. Click on the download button. It should automatically detect your operating system and offer the correct version for Windows. Once the setup file finishes downloading, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the OneDrive app. And that's it. You've now installed OneDrive on your Windows. You're ready to start syncing, backing up, and accessing files across your devices. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.